Hey, hi. Today I'd like to introduce to you a very interesting company. Basically, they are this called Enovix, and it was a SPAC company, which is a special purpose acquisition vehicle, which was used to actually do a reverse listing that happened way back in 2020-2021 period during the COVID period. They have raised about quite a significant amount of money, and it is quite cash rich at the moment. It has about 400 over million of cash from the listing process. And at the moment, for the first Q1, they actually start to make profit as well at 6 million. So yeah, okay. A lot of the SPAC company, as you know, they raise funds and they are still not haven't break even, and they are still losing money. So Enovix is one of the exception for the SPACs. Then I'd like to introduce you to the potential of DJ Rogers and John Deere. John Deere is a very famous um, company investment investor or angel investor. And then you can see TJ Rogers. He's a electrical engineer by training and has made a lot of headways in making revolutionary products. Whereby you can see his investment in Enphase, a solar energy company, energy storage company, which he bought at 90 cents, and now it is at around 100 over dollars US dollar. So this is a beaten down battery stock is seeing some big buys. Um, Enovix stumbled, and then you can see other companies like disruptive architecture enables a battery with high energy density and capacity without compromising safety. We are scaling our silicon-anode lithium-ion battery manufacturing capability to meet customer demand. Enovix Corporation, they do 3D battery designs. Um, who is TJ Rogers? Great reputation for creating shareholders value. Enphase high volume manufacturing will surpass Strings Plus Optimizer. Enphase has the most reliable solar energy solutions. Enphase market share is growing, and now they are going into Enovix. So the basically at the moment for Enovix, they are entering into mobile phones and headsets and haven't actually started going into um, EV yet. So it will take a while. So this shows the investment they have made only recently 2 months ago, and the stock has actually gone up from $9 to around 18, 19 right now, market closing. I'll just show you a bit about their videos. But long battery power. kasut. Yalah. Actually, already in 3 months. So you can see that they're going to start their second plant in Malaysia as well, which is good news. So it's great for scaling and then bring the cost down. And so far, it's been a proven product, not just a concept. So yeah, this company is can put it under your radar. And the Malaysia counterpart that they joint venture with is called YZH International. So yeah, hope you like the video. Thanks a lot.